Hello everyone. Today we will draw a fish. Let's get started. Black first. Draw the body. Draw the tail and fins. Let's draw an eye. Let's draw scales. The fish breathes and blows air bubbles. Draw a small shell. Coloring time. Pink. Green. Yellow.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling.
Red.
This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played
Orange.
on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Blue.
This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a
Yellow.
paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight. He played
The fish lives underwater and breathes with gills, covered with scales and swim due to fins. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.